Hi, I'm Cameron Ketchum, founder and CEO of Goast.ai, and I'm going to show you how I use Goast to fix errors within Goast itself. It usually starts with my error monitoring service, and in this case, I'm using Google Cloud Error Logging, but we also have an integration with Sentry if you use that. This is an issue I pulled up that I'd expect Goast to fix. It looks like there is a fix because an issue has been created. Let's check it out. Here's the exception in GitHub. You can see it describes the files and changes that it made as well as the stack trace, and it looks like it actually found some input related to the error, which was causing it. And just a little context so you can follow along, what this input is output from an LLM, and this code is trying to parse out the JSON data that is included in this response. The issue is that it's looking for these triple backticks to find code blocks with JSON inside them, and unfortunately in this response, the first triple backticks it finds are here, so it's reading this string out which isn't valid JSON. Let's see what it did. So this is what it did. It looks like it added that example as the test case, which is pretty cool, and it replaced the existing JSON object code with this code that looks for a code block with triple backticks followed by the word JSON. One thing I'm noticing is that it always matches the first result, which is probably okay in this case. The test it added is passing, but let's ask for a change to make the code more resilient to different inputs. Let's have it find all the potential code blocks and return the first one that is a valid categorization result using these two methods. I can ask for changes by tagging Goast AI in the comment. So what I'll ask for is good start, except I don't know for sure that all JSON code will be in code blocks that start with the triple backticks in JSON. It might be that the code block just starts with triple backticks. Make sure it also works for that case. Also, it looks like you're just finding the first match. Why don't you pick the first match where issue categorization result is true, or convert to categorization result is true. And Goast will respond that it's working on it. Let's see what it does. Normally at this point I could just let it run and go do something else as if this was any other real developer working on this problem, but usually it doesn't take too long, so let's wait to see what it does. Okay, I skipped ahead a minute here and we got into another commit. Let's check it out. Looks like it added another test case where it should iterate through multiple JSON blocks and return the first valid issue categorization result. That looks like what I wanted. And here's the code. It's optionally including the word JSON now, going through each match, getting the JSON string, trying to parse it, and yeah, if it's an issue categorization result or can be converted one, it's using these methods, it returns it. Thanks for watching. Don't hesitate to reach out if you're interested in using this for your own development. You can sign up to try it out today for free at Goast.ai. There's a link in the description below. Thanks.